So here we go. This is the first game of 4 in this semi-final. Maria Timofeeva from Russia, the 20-year-old, up against the Swiss miss, Connie Perrin for the Punjab Patriots. Timofeeva to serve. Connie Perrin on the near court. The chip in charge. But Masha Timofeeva says, I'm okay with that. That is the confidence we were talking about from the 20-year-old Russian. We didn't see this on day 1, but we're seeing it ooze out of her on day 6. Connie always has plenty of support. Chance of Connie in the stands. But Timofeeva doesn't mind. 2 early points for the young Russian, and Bengal are on their way. Love the atmosphere of the TPL, so different to anything else for these players, but she says she loves it. At the moment, Timofeeva loving it.
3-1,
It's Timofeeva fever. And it's a 3-1 lead for the Wizards from Bengal. There's that gorgeous backhand from Connie Perrin, but it's been put under the pump. $20 points per game, remember. And after 10 points, a change of ends. We could get there pretty quickly if Masha Timofeeva keeps going in this direction. 6-1. The pressure mounts on Connie Perrin. Should become 8-1, comfortably so. Maria Timofeeva is ensuring that Delhi, who've gone out, don't have Bengal following them.
9-1, Bengal.
Timofeeva fever in Pune for the Bengal Wizards.
You'd expect it. Drama, intensity, thrill to double up, because it's a place in the final that we're fighting for here. Connie and Masha locking on. Masha says bye-bye, because this is 8-1. They love it in the Wizards dugout. What a day for the Russian. Come the occasion, and she has brought out a whole new level of tennis.
Nothing changes on the scoreline because
9-1,
it
Bengal.
now goes to 9-1 on the change of ends.
Out.
Slice not working, chipping and charging,
10-2 Bengal.
wanting to chip that. We don't really see the charge though.
Here we go. There's the finish. There's the finish. Done. She plays it anyway. That is the confidence. And there's the win for Masha Timofeeva in the women's singles.
What a day this is turning out to be for the 20-year-old. Single-handedly
Out.
ensuring
11-3, Bengal.
Team Bengal have a firm footing in the final. It's the points, it's the battle for the overall score that continues. The chance of Connie keep
10-3,
growing,
Bengal.
but it's Masha who's running away with this.
First game of 4 in this second semi-final. Connie, the chant continues, and this is a good
12-6,
comeback.
Bengal.
Spirited.
Second serve, you would expect Connie to take a charge at this. Slices it. Going after that backhand, Masha, consistently. What a return. You don't need a tweener at this stage, but she is an entertainer. No matter how they come, as long as they come. The final point with some swag from the Swiss.
She's messing with her mind. Watch this. Absolutely no need for the tweener. She does it to get the crowd on their side. She does it to throw the opposition off. And it works versus the young 20-year-old. 8-12 the scoreline as we head into the big men's singles next. Two Indians locking horns, Sriram Balaji and Diggy Pratap Singh.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
The court shines, charcoal grey, glittering, and it's time for two stars to go up against each other. Sriram Balaji, Digvijay Pratap Singh in the men's singles, and what a start this has been for the Bengal Wizards.
First team that gets to 41
Out, 2-0.
goes through
Bengal.
and joins Bengaluru in the final. Oh, the passing shot. The serve and volley
Ball.
attempted by Sriram, but it gets him in no man's land, courtesy of this one. Going the wrong way, sees the open court. That is the counter punch.
Bengal.
Again, the lead grows back to 5.
Feeling the pressure,
5-2
Digvijay at the
Bengal.
moment, and the roar from the crowd, cheering the Wizards on. The dugout, they love it. They are on their feet, and what a day the Wizards are having. It's been a dream season so far. They want to make it to the final.
The trouble,
Slams one more.
the trouble for Diggy is that over the last 2 days, he's lost his
6-2
singles
Bengal.
on both occasions. He lost 7-13 yesterday to Lucas Rosol. He lost 9-11 to Ernest Gulbis. And he's already under the pump here versus Sriram Balaji.
Serve and volley, old school tennis, but Diggy has a look, and he
6-3
finds that
Bengal.
backhand. What an angle. They need more of that. Impresses the mentor. Take a look at this volley. He got the depth on that volley, but the angle under pressure. That's the first serve. Just the
7-4
returning
Bengal.
quality from Sriram Balaji. Amazing one and all. Take a look at this serve. It was precise, close to the body, but Balaji counters it. Comes into the net, closing in on that volley.
Five 8. Again he comes in. Again it's a good return. But this time Sriram Balaji says not on my watch. He's got fabulous hands at the net.
9-5
And he
Bengal.
still backs himself to get the job done. And the lead continues to grow. It's 21-13 now.
What hands, covering every area of that court. Have to give it up
10-5
for
Bengal.
Balaji. He is so much in control here. And Diggy is finding himself a little lost. One thing is certain, they can't lose it now, the Wizards.
This is just experience of Sriram Balaji. He is toying with him. Watch the lob here. That sets it up. Now he comes in, closes the point out. And yet again, Bala pins the serve.
11,
And he's got the win in the men's singles now. 11-5.
Inside out,
Bengal.
into the net. Balaji extends the lead. 6 now, 24-14, 10 in the overall scores. The Wizards have 1 foot in the final.
Outstanding. Great hands yet
10-6
again.
Bengal.
And the lead now 11. Bengal know that this is all but done. Final point of the game. 13-6. Make that 14-6.
14-6
This
Bengal.
is dominance from Bengal. And that is a masterful performance from one of India's finest, Sriram Balaji.
We've seen a lot of matches turn once the doubles start. Can Connie Perrin and Arjun Khade turn this around with their experience for Punjab? We will know soon. Semi-final number 2, game number 3. Can Punjab keep themselves alive? Connie Perrin and Arjun Khade have been in moments like this.
Here we go. Mixed doubles.
0 Bengal.
And no change really in the scoreline at the moment. The Bengal Wizards continue the good work. Masha Timofeeva lands her first serve.
That's what they've done throughout season 5.
3-1
Helped
Bengal.
each other, complemented each other's gameplay, and Mom loves it. Mrs. Chandrasekhar so happy to see the sun shine every day. 29-15. This is getting really difficult for Punjab. Ani tried to do everything in that point. Connie and Arjun keep themselves
3-2
alive.
Bengal.
You can see Masha was waiting. Maybe if you had left it for her.
Out.
It's been her
4
day.
all.
It really has been the 20-year-old's day.
30-19. But it's big serves like that that help the cause. Oh, Anirudh Chandrasekhar all over it. He knows that if he gets that back in play, it's everything to play for. And the change of ends. It's been a good start for the Wizards. The proud parents say, come on, keep going. You're doing a great job. And he is. Big serve from Arjun Khade, the drive volley. Too good from Arjun Khade. But is it too little too
6-5
late?
Punjab.
31-20.
And he has to carry himself and Connie through in this one. Look at that from Anirudh Chandrasekhar on the body.
6 all.
Absolutely no chance for Connie Perrin. The angle, the curve, and the sheer pace. Take a look at this serve. Connie Perrin had no chance whatsoever.
That's a face-saving return. Not much Connie could have done about that. That's a lefty angle. Intensity in the eyes. Masha Timofeeva. Oh, she didn't mean it, but it's all going Bengal's way.
7-6
And
Bengal.
now they are 8 points away from cruising to the final.
Tension palpable on the Punjab supporters' faces. They can feel the pressure because now it's virtually a do or die for them in this one. You don't want to take it to the final one.
Just take a look at the
7 all.
hands of Masha Timofeeva. Watch this. Just tried to do something with it and then apologizes. But it couldn't have gone to a better spot on court. Timofeeva fever for Bengal.
8-7
33
Punjab.
21.
12 points the lead for the Wizards. 3 points to win this game.
9-8
Masha
Bengal.
is on a roll. Everything she's doing today is going great, and he knows it. He's been there guiding her, guiding the team, and he'll enjoy this performance.
That's long. Good serve from Arjun Kade.
9 all.
And the Patriots hanging on. And there's 22 points left in this contest. 2 here, 20 in the men's doubles.
10-9
But they
Punjab.
still hang on by a thread. 9-10. And closes it out. Ties it at 10 apiece. And the
10 all.
Wizards, heading into the men's doubles, are just 5 points away from making it through to the grand finale.
It's just 5 points they need to confirm that final spot. 41 is that figure they'll be looking for. Arjun and Digvijay will need to do something which is close to impossible. Can they? The action on the other side.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
What a gritting semi-final, and it only gets better as we fight for that final team who will join Bengaluru SG Mavericks. 5 points away at the moment, the Wizards. 2 men in really good form. The lefty-righty combo, Balaji and Anirudh with the serve.
Oh, that's
1-0
called good.
Punjab.
Little bit of an error in judgment. But Punjab need a miracle. Because at the moment, the Wizards need only 5 points to book a spot in the finale. It's all going the Wizards' way. Arjun Kade enjoying himself. He's played his part in getting them here. And he'll like to see this out in style. They will have to keep believing. Because if they can win this 16-4, we'll have a tie.
2-0
And that
Punjab.
helps. That certainly helps. We've seen a 16-4 scoreline. Can the Patriots pull off the unthinkable? 26-36. That's the scoreline to watch. 27-36 now. 3-love in the men's doubles. At love 3. 5 points away from a place in the final. Oh,
3-1
that's the
Punjab.
response from Ani. Down the tee with pace and precision. And it's now 4 points away from the finals.
Out. 3-2 Punjab.
There's the lob. But there's the
4-2
forehand
Punjab.
from Diggy Pratap. Been quite the occasion. Booming forehand down the center. Splits the pair. And it's over to the Diggy serve. Again, looking to go to the lob. May not be the best idea when you've got Arjun Kade and Diggy in the form that they're in.
Form has been there. Can it convert into some massive points here? Balaji with the serve to AK-47. Will he run in for a return, Arjun? Comes really close. Couldn't control the pace on that
Punjab.
serve. They're happy. The man himself, the legend Leander Pace, watches on.
2 points away. That is the crucial element. 39-29. 1 point away now. 40-29. Leander loving it. The mentor, the brand ambassador really of the Bengal Wizards. And it's 5-4, but critically 29-40.
A point for the final. Arjun says no,
6-4
not so soon,
Punjab.
not now. Wait it out. Let's change sides. We are still alive in this. That's it. We have our second finalist. The celebrations begin in the Wizards dugout. The legend Leander Pace is a happy man indeed. It's going to be Bengaluru locking horns with Bengal for the TPL trophy. Hugs, embraces, and that's just so good to see. Arjun Kade with Leander Pace, Diggy Pratap, they fought hard. Connie pair in the Swiss Miss. You have to take a moment to appreciate what she's shown us throughout the last 5 days. Just wasn't their day in the semi-final today. Amazing talent over the last 5 days. 41 is the magical figure. Bengaluru got to it. Now Bengal get to it. And it's the dominating fashion in which both these teams have won. Out of the 4 teams, these two certainly had to be firm favorites. It really sets up the final so well. How even will that be?